Okay, so I'm back here in the basement checking on my fiber. It's been in my crock pot set on low for an hour. I put in just this half pint or a quart, I'm not sure what size this is, mason jar of copper liqueur that I made with just a old copper pipe and some white vinegar. You see those little blue crystals that grow on there? That's what makes the water kind of blue. Well, it's not water, it's vinegar in there, but anyways. I poured half of that in here, put two different types of fibers in. I put Cordell wool and I put alpaca. And my alpaca fiber was already mordanted with a lichen that just made it sort of a very, very, very light beige. So copper has just not changed it much. It's still on the brownie side. It was a white fiber before. And then this is my Cordell, and isn't that pretty? That's got a real nice green to it. But down here, I also threw in some silk. And the silk turns out more blue, which I think is fascinating. Maybe I can grab it here. Isn't this pretty? Much more blue. So see, more blue, less green. Now, just for experimenting sake, I'm going to put in some ammonia in here because I noticed when I was messing around with my lichen that when I touched ammonia to the, I might even have a little bit of ammonia on here, that might be why it's bluer, because this might have had a little ammonia on it when I was dipping it. So I'm just going to put a tiny bit in there and see what happens. So hold on. Okay, so here we go. A little bit of regular old ammonia. See how it changes that silk? Look at that. It's turning it kind of purple, isn't it? This is fascinating to me. Okay, we're gonna make some space here. I'm gonna stir this around. Wow, look at that. That is immediately turning purple. What a cool shade of purple that is. And what's going to happen to my wool? Well, we will just have to see what happens here. But isn't that interesting? This is fascinating. I'm going to take that silk up. Wow, that is really changed. Isn't that interesting? Okay, so we'll let that sit for a while with the lid on, and we'll see what happens to the ultimate wool here. Wow, who knew you could shift copper? I did not know that. If you knew that, please let me know, because as far as I'm concerned, it could be brand new information. Never published, because I have not read it. So, there you go. Talk to you later. This is Christy Day, Wool Envy. Like my Facebook page. I'm on Facebook, too, and YouTube. I'm doing all kinds of dye experiments. Bye-bye.